It's the Traeger Pro Series 22 smoker. I love this one. It's a little bit smaller. It doesn't have all the wireless features, so it's affordable. I recommend it. It was my first Traeger, my first smoker, and it could be yours too. If you're looking to feed about 6 to 8 people, it's plenty. You can get a couple chickens on here, a rack of ribs, you can get all kinds of hot dogs and hamburgers. It's really pretty good size, and you can fit a lot in there, including an entire turkey or a spatchcock turkey. It's amazing what will go in to 572 square inches of cooking space. Another nice thing about the size is that you could put it on your deck or a small patio, so you can get out and use it more often. I like to do short cooks under 2 hours, like hamburgers, hot dogs, turkey breasts, and my all-time favorite, the reverse seared steak, which I'll show you in a little bit. Here on our ranch, the nearest outlet is 50 feet away, so I use a 50-foot extension cord. There hasn't been any problem really getting the power necessary to heat this up. The control panel is very simple. We just turn it on and then go to the first setting, which is smoke. And at that level, we are just heating everything up, and we're waiting about 10 minutes for some smoke to appear. A little bit more about this control panel. The Traeger does come with 2 probes, so they can use 2 of those for 2 separate types of meat to get internal temperatures, which will show up here. You can also use one for internal temperature and the other one to monitor the temperature of the oven. I do like to call this an oven because it is that. It's just an outdoor, very smoky oven. And because of that, there's so many different things that you can do.
Like the reverse seared steak. You smoke it, then you sear it. Bring the oven temperature up to about 225. Insert a probe and wait until the internal temperature is about 110 for medium rare. Sear it in a hot cast iron pan. Turn it over about 2 minutes aside. Add a little butter if you want. And in less than an hour, you will have a slightly smoky, beautifully seared, wonderfully textured steak that might just be the best you've ever tasted.
Traeger Pro Series 22. I highly recommend it.